In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resize templates here in Canva. Now, what I'm about to share will help you resize literally anything here in Canva. Now, what we're going to do is use Resize and Magic Switch up here in the left-hand corner. Now, this is a Canva Pro feature, and if you want to try out a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro, then there will be a link down in the description. Disclaimer: it is an affiliate link, so if you do decide to purchase, I will make a small commission. But from here, once we click on there, we can come down to custom size just here. We also have lots of different presets which we can choose from, but we're going to do custom size. Then we can switch between centimeters, pixels, inches and millimeters. For this example, let's change this to a 6x9 inch. So we're going to do 6 there, and we're going to do 9 just here. Then all we want to do is make sure the pages are enabled. I only have one page just here, so that's already ticked. Then we're going to click continue. Then we have a few different options. We can copy this project and resize, or we can actually resize just this design. If we copy and resize, we're going to keep this original, and it's also going to give us a brand new project with those new dimensions. Now for this example, let's just click resize this design. We're going to give it a second, and there we go. This has now been resized to 6x9. So if we click on file, we can see that just here where it says 6x9. Now when you resize your projects, your designs, or your templates, then please keep in mind that you might have to come in and just adjust everything on the page to make sure it looks good on the canvas. But nonetheless, that's how you can resize templates here in Canva. Now, if you want a free way to resize your templates, then click right here and watch this video.